40% of ERP projects are typically failures. Of that, about half are failures where they just turn the product off. The other 20% or the other half of that failure mode is we're just not happy, we don't enjoy it. When you sit down and you think about software, every ERP system does what it says it's going to do. It does what it's programmed to do. The root cause of failure has nothing to do with ones and zeros and coding of the software. The root cause to ERP failures has everything to do with people. We have to understand that the hardest part of this is people moving from point A to point B. It's that change process. And so what we've done at INNERGY is address that squarely and specifically, that's the only way that you're going to do that without writing the check is through education. It's not just about the clicks in the system. We're doing mini MBAs with the forum. We're doing regional events about very specific, hard problems in our industry. But the front foot and the lead is all about changing people's behavior, changing their mindset, and providing that education free to our customers. It's part of the package. We want that to be part of what they do naturally. Come aboard, we're gonna go on this journey together and we're gonna reach in and help your organization. And so whether it's the forums in our mini MBA program, and we put almost 600 people through that, whether it's the way that I describe PEAK is YouTube for woodworkers. We have 2,000 assets in that software, that learning management system. Nobody else is doing that. And so if we can bring to bear with all these different approaches, that we're reaching into the organization and helping the employees on this change journey, at the end of the day, we're gonna be successful. At the end of the day, we're gonna create raving fans, and at the end of the day, we're gonna change the industry. That's why we lead on the front foot with education. We don't have to think of this as a zero-sum game. It's not. That simple recognition is how we've built this nexus in this community, and I think it's working. When we have 500 to 600 people show up at our summit, our face-to-face summit, and they're learning from each other, and there are people, our customers are doing 60 events, and they're part of that engagement and part of that education that's going out, we're paying it forward.